Sam from the Body Centre here. We are back. Covid-19 hasn't broken us. We're extremely hungry and extremely driven to be back as a team. But during this terrible period, it's given us time to look closely at our business and our processes to keep everyone safe. As Covid-19 is still extremely dangerous, we would like to take you behind the scenes to show you all the processes that we have put in place. And also we'd like to thank all of our customers and our followers online for your support during these terrible times. So, when you come to drop off your vehicle or even pop in to see us for an estimate, our customers will have more of a precise drop-off time. Hand sanitizing stations inside and outside of the buildings. Keys will be disinfected and placed into sealed bags, ready for our technicians to start their procedures. Clear screens have been installed onto the desks in main reception. 2-meter signs placed all around the premises to remind us all of the distancing. All cars will be disinfected on arrival and departure, including aircon antibacterial cleaner. Only 2 customers in the office at one time. Waiting customers will have to wait outside in their vehicles. Our famous coffee will still be available in takeaway cups and served by a member of our team. Now for our team, face masks and gloves will be worn all the time by the technicians. They've been supplied with their own hand sanitizing bottles, which will be refillable. We've staggered their tea breaks. We've also spread out the workshop bays to avoid close contact. Cleaning procedures are taken into place daily with disinfectant, including the toilets and the restrooms. So excited to be back as a team, guys, following all the government guidelines, repairing and customizing your vehicles. As I've listed below, all the processes we're now put into place, you can tell that we're taking this extremely seriously to make it easy for you guys to pop in and see us and make it safe for our team. Thank you all for watching, guys, and thank you all for the support during these hard times. See you soon.